Mastering Proofreading, the art of grammar and punctuation. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of proofreading, with a special focus on grammar and punctuation. In the process of email and letter writing, this skill is an absolute must-have, and we're here to help you master it. When it comes to written English, grammar and punctuation are the building blocks of clear and effective communication. They are not just about rules and regulations. They give your writing structure and clarity, making your message easy to understand. Incorrect grammar or punctuation can lead to misunderstandings, even changing the entire meaning of a sentence. There are many common mistakes we all make when writing. Let's look at a few. 1. Subject-verb agreement. Ensure the subject of your sentence matches in number with the verb. For example, she write is incorrect. The correct form is she writes. 2. Correct tense usage. Using the wrong tense can confuse your reader. I seen that movie is incorrect. Instead, you should say, I have seen that movie, or I saw that movie. 3. Misplaced modifiers. These can change the meaning of your sentence. For example, I only have $3 implies that the only thing you have is $3. A better way to say it would be, I have only $3. Punctuation might seem like tiny marks, but they have a massive impact on the meaning of your text. Let's look at some common punctuation mistakes. 1. Comma splices. These happen when you join two independent clauses with a comma but without a coordinating conjunction. I love pizza, I eat it every day, is an example of a comma splice. Instead, you should write, I love pizza, I eat it every day, or I love pizza, and I eat it every day. 2. Apostrophe errors. Apostrophes can indicate possession or contraction, but using them incorrectly can lead to confusion. It's raining is incorrect because it's is a possessive pronoun, not a contraction. The correct form is it's raining, short for it is raining. 3. Misuse of quotation marks. Remember that quotation marks should be used to quote direct speech, titles of short works, or unusual terms. They should not be used for emphasis. Proofreading is not just about finding errors, but also about making your writing better and more efficient. Here are some techniques to help you. 1. Take a break. Before proofreading, step away from your text for a while. This can help you approach it with fresh eyes. 2. Read out loud. This can help you spot awkward phrasing, run-on sentences, and other issues that you might not notice when reading silently. 3. Use tools. While not perfect, grammar and spell check tools can help catch common errors. Remember, mastering grammar and punctuation takes time and practice. But with the tips we've covered today, you're well on your way to becoming a more proficient and confident writer. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new. Happy proofreading!